Hi, I'm John from BD Auto Body, and this is
Sarah.
and this is
Jake.
and Sarah's going to tell us why we're here today.
So today we're here. John has incredibly and amazingly, very kindly fixed up my little Yamaha pw50 for me. It belonged to my brother. He passed away. He's been sat for 10 years. I just didn't trust anyone or know who to go to fix him up and that was going to look after him and basically do the right good job, and the person is John that's done that for us, so I'm absolutely made up. John used to be best mates with my brother James as well, so it's just lovely that we're here now to see the final result and get a unit.
So Jake was 2, was that right?
Yeah.
When PB got bought, and have you ever rode it?
No.
No? Right, okay.